FRM level 2 students, the biggest villain in your preparation is going to be the operational risk book. Hello friends, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves, and I also help students to prepare and clear the FRM and CFA exam. Now for FRM level 2 students, okay, the curriculum itself is very big, around 99 chapters to prepare for the exam, and out of that, the one book which is the operational risk book again carries around 20-25 chapters, and the content of this book is very theoretical. Okay, you'll get bored reading the content. Okay, it's more and more repetitive lines being used in the book, but this book is important for your preparation because it has good weightage. And what I've seen is most of the students who have not been able to clear FRM level 2, they are getting low scores in their operational risk book. So either they are getting the fourth quartile or either they are getting the third quartile in their preparation for their operational risk book. So if you're getting a fourth quartile, okay, then you need a very good quartile in your first book and the second book to carry you to the pass mark. And that is what is becoming very important for your preparation. So how should you deal with operation risk? Now for 2023, we are still waiting for the books, but whenever you get the book, make sure that you read the operation risk content every single day. Do not skip it. Read it like novel. Make sure to read the book at least 3 times before your exam date. Make yourself comfortable because that is where you'll develop gut feeling to choose the option. Because obviously the content being theoretical, you'll not remember the concept till the exam day. You'll not be 110% sure when you choose your options. But when you have done 3 times reading, it make you comfortable that okay, I know this concept, I've heard about it, I've read about it, and this option out of these 2 options, option number D is correct. Because I have a gut feeling. I've seen somewhere, I've read somewhere this point. So it will help you to develop that quality of selecting the right option in your final exam. So do not ignore the operation risk book. It is one of the biggest problems which a lot of level 2 students face. Okay, make sure that you read this book every single day. So you should be very much comfortable with the Swagger content of operation risk book. There is no need for you to read any other book for this, at least for this book. Okay, so don't worry on that. Focus on operation risk book. Do not ignore it. I hope you like this video. If you like, definitely then subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends who are preparing for the exam, and do post your comments in the comment section. Thank you.